Hi guys, have you ever watched a video on YouTube and later decided you didn't want it showing up in your watch history? Whether you're trying to keep your recommendations clean or simply protect your privacy, YouTube makes it easy to remove individual videos or clear your entire watch history. In this video, I'll walk you through both methods step by step. Let's begin by opening the YouTube app on your phone. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account where your watch history is saved. Once you're on the home screen, tap the U tab in the bottom right corner. This is where you'll find your account settings, playlists, and your recent watch history. Scroll until you see the history section. Here, you'll find a list of all the videos you've recently watched. If you only want to remove one video, find it in the list, then tap the three-dot menu beside the video title. A small menu will appear with several options. Simply tap Remove from Watch History and that video will be deleted instantly from your history. Need to clear everything instead? Stay on the same history page and tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, choose Clear All Watch History. You'll see a confirmation message asking if you're sure. Tap Clear to confirm and YouTube will erase your entire watch history from your account. Keep in mind that clearing your watch history can change the videos YouTube recommends because those suggestions are based on what you've watched before. If you prefer that YouTube doesn't save future videos, you can also turn on Pause Watch History in the history settings. I hope this guide made things easier for you. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips and simple how-to videos.